Hey, this is Alan Stamp from Baseheads, guys. How we doing? Just gonna give you an update here. I've been working on my cooling fan in the back of the amp. I've got it working right now. I'm gonna try to not blow out my new microphone here, but if you I'm back into my money, making my back. Niggas got a low act rate. We from the north yet. For a moment. You guys can listen. I do have my fan going. It's running pretty good right now. Everything pretty much back here. Yeah, that will be the update for today. I'm having a video out before this. Apologize for that. Just letting you know what I've done to the Buick. So if you guys like this, drop me a comment down below. Tell me how you like it. Give it a big thumbs up for me if you would. I appreciate all my subscribers that have supported me so far and watching all my videos. I will let you guys go. This is Alan Stamp from Baseheads. Peace. I'm out of here.